Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable comments in WordPress blog posts. So firstly, you have to go to a website and search for wordpress.com. Then after you have signed into your account, this is the interface you're going to see. This is my home page. After that, we are going to pay attention to the left hand side. Over here, we are searching for the settings option. As you can see over here, there is a pop-up menu. We are looking for the discussion section over here. Click on the discussion section and it will open a page. As you can see here, there is options called default post settings. Here we are going to allow people to submit comments on new posts. Just click on it, and after that make sure that you have reviewed all of your settings. As you can see, you can manipulate every other settings in this area over here about comments and engaging with your viewers and everything. After you are done, make sure to click this one so that you enable people to submit comments on new posts, and scroll down, and here as you can see, save changes. Click save changes to save all of the changes, and that is how you enable comments in WordPress blog posts. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.